So last week I made a video explaining what GenLayer is and why I believe it's going to be one of the most exciting technologies coming to Web3. I broke everything down to the simplest way possible, and if you're here to see that video, I believe you can see it first so that it will help you understand the video that I'm trying to make today. This week, I'm going to be sharing with you 3 project ideas that you can build today on GenLayer. So these are not just random project ideas I just wake up overnight with. These are something that I've actually been thinking about building myself because I believe that it's going to have a huge potential, especially if it is built under GenLayer. So if you're a developer, if you're a founder or curious about startup, this video is for you because these ideas can actually help you be a project founder today. Before, I was just building this project on myself, then just trying to keep it to myself for whenever I finish building, then I can share it to the public. I just realized that technologies actually grows fast when they are being shared. Maybe someone watching this video can actually help me, bring this project live in a much bigger way that I expected. Or someone there can actually use this project idea to build something beneficial to the humankind. So let's get started. Grab your coffee and make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and leave the notification bell on to notify whenever I make another video like this. So project number 1. Imagine having access to an information before everyone, not a fake news, not rumors, verified information. You are very sure that it's actually verified. Okay, now let me ask my editor this question. What? So if I could keep giving you a verified information that will keep making you money, how much do you think you can pay for it?
Okay, actually, if I could consistently be making money with it, I can be giving you 30% of my earning.
Exactly, because in today's world, information is one of the most valuable assets anyone can own. The people who receive the accurate information first usually have the biggest advantage. They know when to buy an asset, they know when to sell an asset, they know when to exit the market, they know when to place a prediction before the all actually disappear or before the all gets lower or higher. So I've personally been inside a Discord community where I paid over $100 a month just to receive crypto market updates or the forex market updates. At the end of the day, it doesn't really worth it because most of this information are not really verified.
No! God, please, no! No!
So now imagine something completely different. Imagine a tool that doesn't just send you information, it verifies every information based on your own personal perspective. Let's say a rumor starts about Donald Trump going to China, or that the rumor is expected to go to China. Normally, you have to spend hours checking the internet to see, okay, is this news actually true? Or is Trump traveling to the internet? When is he going? When is he returning? Is there a market so that I can actually predict on it? Is it listed? Market listed on Polymarkets? And after checking all this information to see, okay, am I actually in the right direction? Okay, let me now go to place the order on Polymarket. Or where can I see this order? Before then, many people have already bet on this information. It's either you are betting with a low odd, or you might just leave it out because you already missed out on this information. And now this is where GenLayer changes everything on something you can build about this. Now, instead of you doing all that work, AI agents begin investigating the information automatically. They scan trusted news outlets, different social media, they compare the social media posts, they check the timestamp, they verify who originally posted this information, they compare multiple independent sources, then GenLayer acts like a final judge. So what this tool does is that it brings an information, say, okay, this information is actually predictable on Polymarket or any other prediction market. Immediately gets this information, it starts verifying, getting source about this information, and then after getting the whole source, then GenLayer gets to work, cross-check everything to see whether the timestamp is correct, who posted this information, is the information really legit, and then it can just verify this thing under few minutes or even seconds. Then GenLayer acts as a judge. Instead of trusting one AI, it evaluates the evidence and decide whether the information meets the exact criteria you have set, because you as a user, you have to set a criteria of the type of information that you want on this tool. Then once it's verified, it immediately gives you a notification, maybe on your WhatsApp, your Telegram, your email. Alongside with the notification, you also receive a simple summary explaining the information, why it is considered truthful, and the confidence level. But here is where things actually get interesting. This tool doesn't just end with just verification, it tells you where you can actually act on this information. GenLayer analyzes different prediction markets that this information are listed on. So after analyzes it, it tells you the one that has the highest odd, the one with the highest volume, where you can actually predict it fast. And if you receive the signal from your Telegram or from your WhatsApp, you can just click on buy. Once this signal is sent, the bot buys everything immediately for you from just the comforts of anywhere you are, without you trying to scan the market. Oh, is this true? Is this not true? I have to go home to check the information. I have to browse my phone. Everything is just done through the AI agent. And the best part is that the whole information is completely verified based on what you have already said. Think about this and let me know, is this something you think that can actually go far? Is this something that you think that you can actually build? If you feel like you can join my team so we can actually bring this thing to life, reach out to me and let me know so that we can actually start brainstorming together. So the project number 2. If you have been following me for a long time, you should have known that I have been so obsessed with trading. I've been trading for over 3 years now. And within that 3 years, I've tested many strategies, built many tools, and even started my own copy trading platform. Recently, I became curious about AI trading. Can AI actually analyze charts just like normal human beings? So I started testing different AI models. I tested ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, Buy.ai. So I'm just testing these models to see how accurate they are with reading the charts. And at the end of everything, I saw that some actually performed well. Some did give me up to a 60% profitability, some 50, some 40, and the whole thing just differs, especially in some days or in some weeks. So the whole thing just differed. But I noticed something. Every AI sees the market differently. One might identify support and resistance very well. One might actually identify the market structure very well. One can recognize demand and supply, fair value gap very well, better than the others. So I asked myself this question: what if we stop relying on one AI? What if we can actually create an AI agent model that can actually evaluate the result of all these AI agents and bring out a judge that decide the most perfect one in every analysis? With GenLayer, it can actually help us decide the analysis and tell us which one is more reliable based on each person's personal perspective on the chart. For example, before I take a trade, I take a look at these things. I take a look at the support and resistance. I take a look at the fair value gap. I take a demand and supply. Then I wait for confirmation. So these are the things I try to see in every chart before I can actually take this trade. So let's say this tool now, after creating this tool, what this tool does is that when I upload a chart, this tool allows these multiple AI agents to read the chart and then bring out their results. Then after bringing their results, okay, let's say Gemini gave me support and resistance, then Claude gave me support resistance, fair value gap, then ChatGPT gave me support resistance, maybe fair value gap without, maybe the only thing missing is confirmation. Now what this AI agent does is that from after analyzing the whole thing, the result from ChatGPT is closest to what I'm looking for. Now the only thing is a confirmation, and direct me to go and find this confirmation. Instead of forcing a trade, it simply tells me to wait. That alone could actually save traders from countless emotional mistakes. And that is the kind of practical AI I want to build. Not AI that replaces traders. This is AI that understands traders and helps them make a perfect decision. Okay, now I still have one project to share. So this is it from the second project idea, and this video is already getting long. Just like I said after the first project idea, if you have a better idea on the way you can actually bring this project to life in a much bigger form, you can actually join my team so that we can actually build something amazing. So here's what I'm going to do right now. This Sunday, I'll be hosting a Twitter space or a YouTube live. We are going to be diving deeper into these project ideas. Also, we're going to talk about the first one, the second one, also review the third one. And it might actually be bigger than the first two projects I just mentioned before. If you're a developer, a designer, a AI engineer, let's combine our ideas and build something the Web3 space has never seen before, powered by GenLayer. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn the notification bell on so you don't miss the next one. I will see you this Sunday. Until then, take care.